Hi, I'm Devipya. I'm super excited and privileged to be a part of Bayer's Hackathon, which is trying to solve farmers' problem. For the given problem statement, we got two different ideas. The intention of our idea is to provide solution to different gadgets. So the first gadget that we provided solution is keypad phone. And in the problem statement, I have discovered that most of the farmers are using keypad phones currently. So we have come up a solution for the keypad phones. The idea for keypad phone is to generate a unique ID for the farmer's order. And using that ID, the farmer can access the information related to that specific product. So let's see the prototype. And we developed the prototype using Anima. So this is the keypad phone structure because every farmer will be using a keypad phone, right? So he will be getting a unique ID when he orders a specific product or a set of products. This ID is a combination of different characters. Like the first AN is the name of the farmer, like Andrew. The first two letters are extracted from the name. And then 241 is door number. And then three letters, which are NAW, is the first three letters of a country, which might be New Zealand. And then FU represents the product, fungicide, for example. And 21 is the year, which means 2021. And there will be an automated system at Bayer. We will be assuming that so that the automated system will trigger a unique ID to the farmer in the form of a text message. The farmer needs to call to a number which is solely used for this purpose to give necessary information regarding the product. So after calling to that number, the number or automated system will trigger the farmer's unique ID and he needs to enter a unique ID which was given earlier. After entering the ID, he will be getting a set of options. Like as we see in the menu, there are four different options: tracking, product details, feedback, and exit. If we click on the tracking, which is option 1, then we will get the current location of the product, like wherever the product is located in the neighborhood or area. And we can also see the delivery date. And when the farmer clicks on the product details, we will be getting all the details of a product in the form of either text message or audio. And when the farmer clicks on the feedback, which is option 3, then there will be two different options again. For feedback, he needs to click on the press 1 option, which is option 1. He can rate us, of course. If I'm the farmer, I would definitely rate 5 out of 5 for Bayer services and products. And then if he needs to tell any of his concerns or complaint, he can click on number 2 and he can call to the particular number to know the service or to tell something about the service. So this is the keypad design which we designed in Anima. So now let me tell about the solution for devices like computers and smartphones. We already know that a lot of people our world are using smartphones. So we also generalized a solution for not only for keypad phones but also for computers and smartphones. For this, we developed a website which has all the information about products, but the idea is the farmer will get a mail and that mail has an attachment about products and a clickable QR code. So by clicking that QR, he or she will be navigated to his or her dashboard without using any login credentials. So this will ease the farmer's work and it will help to access the information quickly. Let's see the prototype. Firstly, Bayer will be sending an email with all the products that the farmer ordered. So this would an ideal email from the Bayer side. So we can see that there are three different products the farmer has ordered. Oh, for example, I'm the farmer. I got a mail from Bayer and there are these products and there is also an attachment. If we click this attachment, we can click this attachment in a new window so that we can see it clearly. I think it might take a bit. Okay. So these are the three products that I ordered as a farmer, and so I wanted to know further information about these products. Uh, so I'm clicking this QR code, which is navigated to my products page. If I wanted to know more information about a particular product like uses and some other details, I'll be clicking for more info button. So it has basically three functionalities. The product uses, like it will have all the details on how to use the product and instructions. And then there will be second functionality, which is product safety and precautions, like how to use the safety guidelines and all. And the third one is the product storage and disposal. After using the product, we can either store it or we can dispose it. These are the details. This is the My Products tab. And if we go back to the home, we can see the home page of the developed website for computers as well as smartphones. Here we can also see the recent testimonials, like the farmers who have already experienced the Bayer services and who has already purchased a lot of products from Bayer. So these are all the experiences. And if you see the tracking, if a farmer wants to know the current location of his products, he can see it or he can track it using this tracking page. So this is the Bayer warehouse and this is the current location and this is the destination. He can also see the current location in the form of text, and he can expect the delivery date by December 15, 2021 in this example. So as this is a prototype, we have hard coded these values. And coming to the feedback, since feedback is always important to strive in all the services that Bayer provides. So here we provided a module where a farmer can send his or her feedback. Here the first thing is share your experience with us, which means they can rate anything. So again, I would definitely rate 5 out of 5 because Bayer is providing a lot of great services and indeed they are helpful. So they can choose any of the option and then they can write something and they can enter their mail address to get in touch and they can finally submit. If they have any complaint or if they want to resolve any issue, they can call to this particular number. And this is about the feedback page. Now, let me talk about the payment page. So this payment page is usually very simple because the website should be simple in order for the farmer to use it very quickly or efficiently. So we have only three options, and we can complete the payment. A farmer can use either UPI or net banking or cash on delivery. This is all about the website in computer or in devices that cannot be smartphones. So let me show the preview of smartphones. So in the same website design is applied, but the thing is the layout is different. It is responsive, right? So here the same thing applies. First homepage will have testimonials, and then the my products will have the products which farmer ordered or purchased, and then the tracking will have the location, current location, and the Bayer warehouse location, and also the expected delivery date. Feedback. It also have the feedback page where the farmer can submit all the details that he wanted to share with Bayers and he wanted to share the services that he got payment. So by using this solution, it will definitely help the farmer in communication and also to get good services from Bayers. So this is all about our idea to implement website for smartphones and also the computers or devices which are not keypad phones. So, and this is our design for keypad phones. I hope you understand and liked it. Thank you very much.